JY263A number 123 from to Adfield Corporation, Jongyang. JY263A is the excavator with hydraulic excavator, is the Adfield Corporation, 123 Jongyang. Jongyang JY263A. There is the Jongyang. Is the Jongyang JY263A. Is the good time. There is the JY63A from to Adfield Corporation. Is the alright around. There is the excavator. Is the big excavator. Right around there is the good time. There is the no problem. There is the excavator. Is the Adfield Corporation number 123. Is the Jongyang JY263. Alright, no problem. There is the good time. There is the excavator. Right, no problem. Is the good time. There is the alright, no problem. Is the good time. 5 4 3 2 1 and go.